Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Spocket order statuses using CSV exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Spocket order statuses using CSV exports, start by logging into your Spocket account. Once logged in, navigate to the orders section of the dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your recent orders. Locate the settings or options menu, typically represented by a gear icon or three dots. Click on this menu to reveal additional functionalities. From the drop-down, select the Export option. A prompt may appear, allowing you to choose the desired format for your export. Ensure you select CSV as your preferred export format. Next, set any filters if necessary, such as date range or order status. Once you've applied your filters, confirm your selections to proceed with the export. After confirming, a download link or button should appear. Click this link to download the CSV file to your device. Once the file is downloaded, open it using a spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure all order statuses have been accurately exported. For added security, consider saving the CSV file in a designated backups folder. This will make it easier to locate in the future if needed. Congratulations! You have successfully backed up your Spocket order statuses using CSV exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.